हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? आपका स्वागत है त्रिपान स्टडी सेंटर में। आज जो आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ वो काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। जो बच्चे कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा। इसमें एमसीक्यू के अंतर्गत आपके समक्ष क्वेश्चन रहेगा जो हर एक एग्ज़ाम के लिए महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा। चाहे आप एसएससी की एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो, चाहे यूपीएससी की एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हो, तो काफ़ी महत्व रखेगा। चलिए देखते हैं हमारा आज जो है एमसीक्यू क्या कहता है। Today we discussion most important topic here, question paper, social science here. The next question on your screen, question here, what is the mean by the social exclusions here? What is the mean by the social exclusions here? You know that the question here, सामाजिक बहिष्कार से आप क्या समझते हो? सामाजिक बहिष्कार क्या होता है? बहिष्कार का मतलब समझते हो क्या होता है? कि मान लीजिए कुछ गलत आप करते हो और इसके लिए समाज आपको जो है अपने समाज से निकाल के बाहर फेंक देता है और आप कहीं और रहने लग जाते हो, समाज में आपको आने की इजाज़त नहीं होती है। तो ये मतलब हुआ कि सामाजिक बहिष्कार से क्या मतलब होता है। द ऑप्शन हियर, प्रोसेस बाय विच ऑल द इंडिविजुअल एंड एक्जीक्यूटिव फॉर द कंटेनर प्रिविलेजेस। The option B, processes by which all the individuals are given to the privileges, and C, process in which individual or group are excluded from the facilities and opportunity that enjoyed by the general people, and D, none of these. You know that question is very interesting, but first of all you understand a social exclusions here. Social exclusions mean a situation in which the individual are unable to participate in the political, economics and social seminars, and they do not enjoy any benefit and opportunity. This means to the social exclusions here. They do not enjoy any benefit and opportunity. It means to the option here C is correct. The process in which the individual or group are excluded for the facilities and opportunity that are enjoyed by the general people. Option C is correct. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here. The senior most judge of Supreme Court is appointed by the senior most judges of the Supreme Court is appointed by the. Understand question? The question is clear here. सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के वरिष्ठतम न्यायाधीश की नियुक्ति किसके द्वारा की जाती है? देखिए, सर्वोच्च न्यायालय है तो सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के जो वरिष्ठतम होते हैं, ठीक है, जो वरिष्ठतम होते हैं यानी सीनियर जो जज होते हैं, उसकी नियुक्ति किसके द्वारा की जाती है? क्वेश्चन अगर आपने समझा होगा तो बहुत ही खास और इम्पोर्टेंट है कि यहाँ पर जो है सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के वरिष्ठतम न्यायाधीश किसके द्वारा नियुक्ति किए जाते हैं, तो काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। द ऑप्शन है ए प्रेसिडेंट, ऑप्शन बी काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, ऑप्शन सी चीफ जस्टिस एंड डी प्राइम मिनिस्टर। You know that question is very interesting, but first of all, one fact is important. The fact here, the fact is important that judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court are appointed by the President of the advice of Prime Minister and consistent with the Chief Justice of India. There is important here. Important here. The judge of the Supreme Court and the High Court are appointed by their President on the advice of Prime Minister and consultations with their Chief Justice of India. It means to the option C is correct. Chief Justice. The Chief Justice appointed by the senior most judges of Supreme Court. Option C is correct. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. In which of the following state is a Mueller Lake localite? In which of the following state is a Mueller Lake localite? Mean here, निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य में मुलर झील स्थित है? आपके समक्ष ऑप्शन है, उनमें से किस राज्य में जो मुलर झील है, लेक है, वो स्थित है? द ऑप्शन है राजस्थान, बी उत्तर प्रदेश, सी पंजाब, डी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. You know that questions is very clear and important for the exam point of view. But first of all, most important thing here, the Muller's Lake is Jammu and Kashmir is the largest freshwater lake in India. It means D option is correct. Jammu and Kashmir. The important is the Muller Lake. There is a most important lake for the Jammu and Kashmir because the largest freshwater lake in India. Muller Lake, the largest freshwater lake in India. They are located in Jammu and Kashmir. Option D is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. A statement and illustrations is following by the statement of the reason are mark the correct option. You know that the solution is a draft create a storage of food in the affected area. A solution here, draft create a storage of food in the affected area. The reasons here, due to a natural climate that total production of food grain decrease. You know that question is clear here and understandable here because the drought create a shortage of food in the affected area. Our reasons here, due to natural climate, total production of food grain decreasing. It mean to here, सूखे से प्रभावित क्षेत्र में भोजन की कमी हो जाती है. ये हमारा अभी कथन है कि सूखे से प्रभावित क्षेत्र में भोजन की कमी हो जाती है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. और यहाँ पर यह दावा की जाती है, यानी ये कारण बताई जाती है कि प्राकृतिक आपदा के कारण खाद्य कुल उत्पादन घट जाती है. देखिए बात तो यहाँ पर दोनों ही सही कह रहे हैं क्योंकि सूखे से प्रभावित क्षेत्रों में भोजन की कमी तो होगी क्योंकि कारण तो यही बनता है ना कि प्राकृतिक आपदा के कारण खाद्यान्न की कुल उत्पादन घट जाती है. तो यहाँ देखा जाए दोनों ऑप्शन सही है, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर हम देखें ऑप्शन पे, ए बोथ एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड रीजंस आर देयर ट्रू एंड द आर इज करेक्ट explanation of the solution A, and B here both explanation and reasons are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of the solution A. And C here, acceleration A is a true, but reason is R is a false. And D, acceleration is a false, but reason is a true. It means to the here, a drought creates a shortage of food in the affected area. That's the correct. And reasons here, due to the natural calamity, is total production of food grain decreasing. It means option A is correct. Both acceleration and reason are true, and there is a R is the correct explanation of A. It means option A is correct. Option A is correct. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here. A farmer has a grow of wheat during a different year. Farmer has a grow wheat during a different year. Each year is a consumptions of the farmer remain the same. The whole of surplus wheat after the consumptions is used as a capital for next year's production. Each year the production is twice the capital used in the production. Complete the table on the basis of the given information. It means the question is very interesting. Question is very interesting. Mean here, एक किसान ने विभिन्न वर्षों में गेहूं उगाया है। एक किसान ने विभिन्न वर्षों में गेहूं को उगाया है। प्रत्येक वर्ष किसान की खपत सामान्य रहती है। खपत के बचे हुए गेहूं का पूरा उपयोग अगले वर्ष के उत्पादन की पूंजी के रूप में किया जाता है। प्रत्येक वर्ष उत्पादन में उपयोग पूंजी से दुगनी हो जाती है और दी गई जानकारी के आधार पर तालिका को आपको पूरा करना है। यहाँ पर तालिका आप देख सकते हो, या दूसरी तालिका में जो है थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पर मिसिंग है, तो उस इन्फॉर्मेशन को आपको जो है यहाँ पर करेक्ट करना है कि आखिर यहाँ पर क्या मिसिंग हो सकती है। सोचने वाला है। देखा जाए तो यहाँ फॉर्मूला है कि वर्ष उत्पादन उपयोग अधिशेष इज इक्वल टू उत्पादन माइनस अगले वर्ष के लिए उपयोग पूंजी। Note that the most important question here, a farmer has a grow wheat during different year. Each year is a consumption of the farmer remain the same. Remain the same. Main point here, remain the same. The whole of surplus wheat after consumption is used to be captured for the next year's production. Each year, the production is twice the capital used in a production. Complete the table on the basis of the given information. The year production consumptions is equal surplus is equal to production minus consumptions capital for the next year. The eighth years here, first year 140 60 60. Second year here ask the questions and 40 80 80. And third year 160 40 20, and the B here, choose the correct option. It means here there is surplus is equal to production minus consumption of capital year next year. You calculate here. Calculating is very clear. Calculating is very clear. It means to the plus of 2, 4 and 60. 40 and 60 is the 100. It mean to here. It mean to the 40, 80, 120. Option 2 is 120 is the first option. A and B. But C and D is not the correct answer. C, D is eliminated here. Only option A and B. And the next here, second here. The B, first and second here, they are same here. B option is the same 60 60 80 80. It means to the 120 20. The 120 is a B of here. There is, it means to A option is correct. Option A is correct. 120 120. A is 120 and B is 120. The option A is correct here.